Hi everyone, welcome to Melissa's Home Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very soft bacon and cheese roll and Hawaiian bread rolls. We have here in front of us the mixing bowl and all the utensils, 260 ml of lukewarm water, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, 3 teaspoons of dry active yeast, 540 grams of all-purpose flour, 2 small beaten eggs or 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and we have here all the topping, the mayonnaise, 8 pieces of ham, some pineapple pieces, oregano hoops, cheese, bacon, and 1 egg with a tablespoon of water for the bread egg wash. So firstly, we're going to add the sugar into the lukewarm water. Give it a stir. Then we're going to add the yeast to the top. And just a gentle stir and leave it for about 30 minutes for the yeast to froth up. So now the yeast is all frothed up. Add the flour, salt and oil and mix well. Then add the yeast mixture and stir well, followed by the eggs and combine well. Then hand knead the dough inside the bowl. Then wrap the bowl with plastic wrap and leave it aside for 15 minutes. So now the dough is rest for about 15 minutes. We're going to flour the surface and we're going to knead this dough for about 10 minutes. Just flour your hand. Try not to add too much flour into it, once the dough gets too dry. So we're going to grease the bowl. Give your oil. Just top dough it up. Just grease it, and I'm going to cover the dough and leave it in a warm place for about 1 to 2 hours until it's double in size. Now the dough is ready. We're going to take it out and put 2 fingers in. You can see the indented. It's all the bubble. So we're going to flour the surface. So the dough is ready indented. Take it up. We're going to take out all the air bubbles. Flatten it. And we're going to roll this out into 16 pieces. So that's the 16 pieces. Now we're going to roll them all into balls. So now we're going to cover them up so it will not get dry. And line your baking tray. We're going to start shaping them and put on the baking tray for the second proof. On your baking tray, and then now we're going to shape them all into balls. 8 of them for the bacon cheese roll, the other 8 for the Hawaiian bread roll. So for the bacon cheese roll, we're just going to shape them into balls. Shape it well. Now for the Hawaiian roll, we're just going to roll them up in the diameter of the ham. I'm going to pinch them together and give it a roll. Then you're going to bring the two ends together and secure the two ends. Tighten it, and then we'll tip that over and cut. Not rupture. Just cut, and just gonna open up. Okay, that's our ham and Hawaiian roll, and gonna carry on doing the same for the rest. So now it's all done. We're going to cover them up and let it cook the second time until all this roll is double in size. We're going to let it rest for an hour or so until it's double in size. So now the second proving is done. The roll is now all double in size. We're going to brush egg wash on the top. And I'm going to put bacon on the round roll, and then I'm going to put cheese on top. I use cheddar cheese. You can use any cheese you have at home. And now for the Hawaiian roll, we're just going to put mayonnaise on top. And then I'm going to put pineapple. You can put any other topping you like, even onions. And then we're going to put cheese on top there as well. We'll put herbs first. So you can put any herbs you have at home. I'm using oregano. You can even put dry basil or parsley. So if you like more cheese, you can put more cheese on top. There you go. So this is all ready. Make sure your oven is preheated to 200 degrees Celsius for fan bake. So we're going to bake this for 15 minutes altogether, but halfway through the baking, make sure you turn the tray around for even baking. So here's our Hawaiian bread roll and bacon and cheese bread roll. See how soft and tender those are. Really soft. So it's the bacon one. I'm just gonna cut up and let you guys see it. See? So soft. Soft and fluffy. Really nice and yummy. I'm gonna try eat some. Very nice and soft. So hope you enjoyed today's baking, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and look forward to see you again next time.